In this slide number 1, we will talk about the overall notification issued by HPCL for the recruitment of officers for the year 2025-26. This recruitment drive offers opportunities in various domains like engineering, HR, finance, safety, law, and information systems. It is open for both freshers and experienced professionals. The notification, published under advertisement number HPCL Open HR 1/2025-26, invites motivated individuals to be a part of India's energy journey. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies available. HPCL has announced over 274 openings for freshers across multiple officer roles. In addition to these, there are several posts for experienced professionals ranging from officers to general managers. For IAS-related roles under fixed-term contracts, there are 11 dedicated positions. The detailed vacancy distribution is mentioned in the official notification. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee structure. Candidates belonging to the unreserved, OBC NC, and EWS categories are required to pay an application fee of 1,180 rupees, which includes GST. However, candidates from SC, ST, and PWBD categories are exempt from paying any fee. The fee must be paid online only through the designated portal. In the slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates related to the recruitment process. The online application process begins on the 1st of June, 2025. For freshers, the last date to apply is the 30th of June 2025, and for experienced candidates, it is the 15th of July 2025. It is important to submit the application before the deadlines to avoid any last-minute issues. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limits defined for various positions. For most fresher roles, the upper age limit is 25 years for general category candidates. However, for experienced roles, the maximum age can go up to 48 years depending on the level of experience and the position applied for. Age relaxations are applicable as per government norms. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the educational qualifications required for applying. Engineering roles demand full-time degrees in the relevant branches. For HR positions, a 2-year full-time postgraduate degree or MBA in human resources is required. Chartered accountant roles require ICAI membership with a minimum of 50% marks in the final exam. For junior executive roles, a 3-year full-time diploma is mandatory. Other positions like law, safety, and information systems require specific degrees and certifications based on the role.